Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just watching me for the first time, please subscribe, like, share, and for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to achieve this gele with an ASO'OKE. If this video helps you in any way at all, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, comment in the comment section below, and don't also forget to share. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele. It's very important whenever you're tying any gele at all, you have to make sure that you fold the edges. Thereafter, I made some pleats with the gele. So I'm going to be placing the gele from the back of her head to the front. I'm just going to bring it from the back of her head to the front. Thereafter, I'm going to make sure that I arrange the pleats properly so that everything really comes out nice and beautiful. And as we all know, the beauty of any gele at all is the pleats. So you have to make sure that you arrange the pleats properly so that it comes out really beautiful. And that's what I am doing right now. So I'm done arranging my pleats. All I'm going to do next is to make sure that I twist the gele. This way you can see in this video, I'm going to just make sure that both hands of the gele face opposite direction. The rule for this particular gele tutorial today is 50-50. So you have to make sure that both hands are equal so that you can be able to achieve this. So I'm just going to make sure that I make both hands of the gele to face opposite direction. Thereafter, I'm going to be making my pleats. You just have to make sure that you trace your pleats down towards your neck area or your model's neck area so that you do not lose any at all. And that's what I am doing right now. I'm just going to trace it down. So at this point, guys, I'm going to be holding the edge of the first 50 parts of the gele that I tied, and I'm just going to ask my model to hold that right there so that everything that I've done on her head does not unravel. So I'm going to pick up the second 50 parts of the gele, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the first. I'm just going to make sure that I pick my pleats, arrange them properly so that it comes out really beautiful. So at this point, I'm just going to make sure that I hold the edge of the ASO'OKE. I'm not going to hold everything. I'm going to pick both hands of the ASO'OKE and I'm just going to knot everything behind there. I'm going to knot everything behind 2 times so that everything that I've done on her head does not unravel. It's very necessary that you knot properly. So I'm just going to come over to the front right now and I'm going to start creating my ruffle. I'm going to do it to my own taste at this point. So guys, I want to quickly state that while doing this, you have to be making use of a lot of pins so that your gele does not unravel. So I'm going to be making use of a lot of pins in this tutorial so that everything that I've done stays intact. You can actually create ruffles with your satin fabric, your ASO'OKE, your Sego material. You can actually create ruffles with it. If you do not know how to create ruffles, please do check out my previous videos. It's going to show you how to make ruffles and how to actually tie any type of gele that you want to learn how to tie. Please do check my videos out, and if they help you in any way, please subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Thank you guys. So I'm done with this side of her face. I'm just going to move over to the other side of her face, and I'm going to be doing everything that I did on the other side of her face on this part right now. The ruffles that you are going to create do not necessarily have to look the same. You just have to make sure that they are similar. You do not necessarily have to make sure that they look the same. So you can just beautify your own gele and create your own ruffles the way that you want it to look like, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. So I'm just going to arrange the pleats properly. Thereafter, I'm going to be creating the ruffles on her head. I'm almost done tying this gele at this point. I'm just going to be adjusting the pleats properly so that it comes out really nice and beautiful. The back of this gele today is going to be closed. You can either make it open or closed at the back. if you do not know what that means, I'm going to be linking some of my videos down here so that you can actually learn how to close the back of your gele or open it. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post you will definitely be the first to know. If you've not also checked out my previous videos, please do that because it's really going to help you to know how to tie any form of trending gele at all. I love you guys so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.